Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel, Dumb Mobirise Questions. We'll provide some over-the-shoulder answers to easy and not so easy Mobirise Site Builder questions. First question in episode 1, how do you create a Mobirise user and login? Okay, the first thing you want to do is go out to Mobirise.com and get yourself the most current version of Mobirise. Here you can see that I've been using Mobirise since April of 16 with version 2.9.0, and now we're all the way up to version on 12/27, or we're at version 4.5.4. After you get the program and install it, which is pretty easy to do, all you do is click on it, right click, and extract it. You're going to extract it here, and then once it's extracted, you're going to open it, and you're going to right-click on it, and then run it as an administrator, and it will load itself. But after you do this once, you'll be able to go to the forums and download the most current update as it occurs. So let's bring up Mobirise. Here's Mobirise 4.5.4. I'm going to log in. So if this was the first time I ever did it, I would type in the email I want to use for my user access. So in this case, we're using Voyager01 at my educational firm, space voyage.com. Sign up. Now what it's going to want is it's going to send you, if you're brand new and you've never used this before, it's going to send you a email. My email account here it is, and it says, hello, thanks for registering Mobirise. Here's my account and here's my password. So I would copy this password here, and then this has been changed since I did this, so just for demonstration purposes, what I would do is I'd copy it and then I would paste it in here. So I'll paste it here and I'll log in. And it says OK. Now, if I did not type that in exactly correctly, then it would fail. So what we'll do is we'll log out and we'll log back in. So what I can do is, if I don't know the password, but I have my email address, access to my email address, then what I can do is I can type in the name of the email address, and then when I click on it, if I can't remember the password, then I could just click here and it will send me the password. So if I click here, it will just say, we sent you the password. Okay, so that's the way you retrieve it. So if we log in, now, enter our password, and we're in. Now, from here, we can see that this is what I call the desktop, or the UI, user interface, and here it has all these different things, sites, pages, our account, themes. So we go to themes here, and these are the themes that are available to us. We have installed no themes. This is a free account, and we can create websites just using the free account if we wish to. So here's one that's available to us. So what we're going to do right now is we'll install this one. Click on it and we'll install it. And when it installs, it will give you working, and then it will tell you how basically it works. And we close this, and we can pick some other things that are free. For example, Google Analytics is important. All sites should have Google Analytics. Go to your Google Webmaster Tools and get that. If you're in Europe and you're required by law to have a cookies alert, you can install that. If you want help with SEO, you can install that. If you're using PayPal, you can install that, but you have to pay for it. So we'd have to use a redeem key or import. We're going to show you that in the next episode here. So we're going to close this, and we're going to close out episode 1. But before we close out, we're going to share one piece of information. Earlier, when I created the Voyager01 account, and I tried to log into the forum, it would not allow me to do so. The reason for that was because at that time I had a VPN turned on, virtual private network. So depending on the IP address of your virtual private network, the cloud where Mobirise lives may or may not let you into the forum. The way this program works, Mobirise lives on your hard drive. In order to use Mobirise, you must shake hands with the server activation servers on the internet, and then the program runs on your own desktop. So this is the end of episode 1, and now we know how to create a Mobirise user and log in. Thanks for watching.